Voiceover. Imagine a dessert so simple, yet so enchanting, it sweeps you straight to the bustling streets of Bangkok. Welcome to the world of mango sticky rice. This delightful treat combines just 3 main ingredients: ripe mangoes, sticky rice, and creamy coconut milk. First, the sticky rice is soaked, then steamed to perfection, becoming the ideal bed for slices of juicy, sweet mango. But the real magic happens with the drizzle of rich coconut milk, which transforms this humble dish into a creamy, tropical delight. Mango sticky rice isn't just food, it's an experience. A perfect blend of sweetness, texture, and a hint of salt from the coconut milk that makes every bite an adventure. Whether it's the peak of mango season or just a day needing a dash of sunshine, this Thai classic is a simple pleasure that's hard to resist. So, next time you crave something sweet, why not take a culinary trip to Thailand with mango sticky rice? It's sunshine in a bowl, no passport required.